Hi everyone, I'm Ron Jones. I'm a historical kinesiologist and I study the history of physical education and fitness. Some of the most simplistic tools you can use in fitness today are the historical Indian clubs. These are Indian clubs. They're made out of wood. These Indian clubs only weigh about 1 pound each and they're very, very light and easy to use. I've taught Indian clubs to children and seniors and even people in wheelchairs. I've taught Indian clubs to people that have never experienced any kind of stick or club instrument before. I've been teaching Indian clubs for about 10 years. I have yet to have a single injury using these clubs with any of my clients or athletes. Indian clubs today are made out of wood and also a type of plastic, but they can also be adapted to a water bottle with a special handle. So there are a lot of different ways to make clubs. Some of the heavier clubs are made out of steel. The favorite club of mine is just a very light, simple wooden Indian club like these. The nice thing about Indian clubs is they're very easy to take with you on a trip and travel with them. Using the Indian clubs don't require a lot of space. If you have this much room, you're good to go. Initially, Indian clubs used upper body in a fixed stance. So with shoulders, arms, upper body, not much rotation in the trunk. Advanced versions of Indian clubs could involve a step or a lunge or some type of other pattern that involved movement. While it's true we don't need any tool to exercise, people like stuff. They like to hold things, they like tools. We have a fascination with tools as human beings. So for that reason, I like clubs. I like to hold them in my hand. They feel good. Modern wooden Indian clubs run about $55 a pair plus shipping. The Indian clubs are very scalable tools. They've been used for all different populations, from military to youth to senior to adaptive, and also for physical therapy historically. Indian clubs have longevity. Unless you need some firewood, they're going to last you the rest of your life. They're just not much to wear out. If you keep them out of the weather, take care of them, they're going to give you so many years, if not decades, of faithful service. There's no batteries required and there's no app update needed.